Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show Go Back in Time. See old Google Maps. Street View Images. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. Search for an address or zoom in to the location you want to view. Tap and hold on the location to drop a pin. Tap the Street View image preview that appears above the dropped pin. Open Street View for that location. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Tap See More Dates. Browse the available historical Street View images. Select any available date to view how the location looked at that time. Double-tap along the street to move through the area and explore older images. Switch between different dates to compare changes over time. You can view historical Street View images and see how a location has changed over the years. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.